Hi there. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to keep C drive clean and less loaded automatically using a features in Windows 10 and 11. Here you see my C drive is loaded with red color and am a bit messy in file handling. To fix them automatically we need to go to Settings. System. Then Storage. Here, activate Storage Sense. If you go inside, it will show you all the instructions you need to know before auto clean. Then if you come to Cleanup Recommendation. Here you can enable file deletion boxes which would help you by auto-deleting files. But be sure about clicking them. If you have important files, reconsider before enabling the boxes. So, this is how you simply handle your C drive files automatically without any manual intervention. We upload quality tech tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.